I started this recipe by mixing 10 grams of yeast with warm water, set aside for 30 minutes before mixing it with the flour. I welcome you on Miriam Dike channel. I know some people will be like, why 30 minutes of waiting? Please, I just want to give you accurate how I make this bread recipe without you asking any question further. Just watch till the end and see how I make it, and you will definitely like it as you make yours. Keep watching. Don't forget, sweetheart, that bread recipe, we have thousands of methods one can use to make bread recipe. It depends on the type and how you want to make yours to look. Do you want it to be fluffy, soft, and yummy? Make sure you sprinkle enough flour on your baking board before you transfer the batter. No worries, you will see the outcome of the dough later. You can see that the dough is not hard or too soft. Then go ahead and apply small olive oil on your hand, your palm, and then rub it on top of it. Keep watching. Put it on a clean bowl and cover it for 1 hour on a normal room temperature. After 1 hour, punch the dough to remove the air from it. Then go ahead and sprinkle another flour on your baking board, transfer the dough on it, and then knead it very well. Add the raisin and knead it again. I'm just trying to make sure that I widen the dough enough before rolling it in a shape it's supposed to be. Transfer to your already greased pan. That's the outcome after 45 minutes. Go ahead and bake it 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degree depending on your oven setting. Keep watching. I'm done. I baked mine 25 minutes at 180 degree. Take a look at it. So applying butter on top of your bread is optional. You can just go ahead and enjoy it when it's hot or not hot. So let's cut it. Yeah, you can eat it whatever you want to eat with it, and come and tag me later. Don't forget that on this channel, subscription is free. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you. And don't forget to support me through sharing this video to your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.